you've created a new user in NetDocs and they can't see any cabinets. Now, you're probably getting this if we set up your NetDocs. Not everyone does it this way. In users and groups, and we're going to come over to groups here. Now I'm in the admin console. There is this internal users group. Everyone is assigned to it. So if you just set up all your cabinets to have internal users VESA or VES, then anytime you add a new user, they're assigned to that cabinet. And that's the way we used to do stuff, but we've changed it because we just ran into significant problems. So the way we like to set up security, and the easiest way is, let me go into clients demo here, which I gotta wipe because I've trashed this cabinet. Um, if we look here, we create a group called clients demo full access. This is everyone that has full access. We're very specific about how we name them. So the group is cabinet. We put the word cabinet, then demo, because this is the demo cabinet, and then what sort of access. This is full access. So anyone that's a member of this group has access to this cabinet. And if you're not a member of the group, you don't have access. Now, cabinet administrators, well, that's another story. So anyway, I create a brand new user in NetDocs. If I do not add them to this group, they do not see this cabinet. So there's really two ways of doing this. We'll come back over to users and groups. If we come over to groups here, why is this so jacked up? Well, let's do here. So cabinet full access. If I come over to the edit button right underneath my face and come over to members, and then we could add, like I'll add Angie here. So I just added Angie, forgot to put her to this cabinet. Now she can see the cabinet. Honestly, I think this is the proper way of doing it. The other reason would be if we go into users and groups, we open up Angie now. What cabinet is she in? Cabinet clients full access. Well, I know Angie has access to the clients cabinet. Clients cabinet clients top level folders. She can create top level folders. She has full access to the demo cabinet, the library cabinet, the NetDocs cabinet, the prospects, the users, and she can use the legal AI assistant. So by giving these groups these logical names, it just makes it super easy to see who can see what. Also is really good when you're replacing people. So you know exactly what cabinets to add them. But again, frequently, because we never set up cabinets with the internal users group, when someone adds a new user, they always forget to come back in here and do this. So this hopefully should help you out.